Hey Avensiders, we're on a mission. I want you to be able to connect your device up to our Avenside network and then to download Office 365. So the first thing I want you to do is to bring up your Wi-Fi settings. I'm on a Windows device and at the bottom towards the right I'm hitting an upward arrow and I can see the Wi-Fi symbol. And I'm going to look for the Wi-Fi network that says Avenside BYOD, and I will tick it to automatically connect and then hit the connect button. It will bring me to a screen that looks like this. So you're looking at the purplish screen in the middle. So I hit connect, and at that stage it is likely that I'll be asked for a network security code. I'm going to tap in the word Avenside, all lowercase, and hit next. This should now bring you to a panel that looks like this, and you're going to use your Avenside username and your password that is secret to just yourself, and you're going to enter those here. So for example, my username might be student67676, and my password will be a bundle of letters with some capitals within it, and it is capital and small letter specific. Then I hit the login, and that should bring you to the screen that says login successful. That means that you're connected to our network and you can use the browser. So our next thing is to download Office 365. But before that, I just want you to check that you do not have any Office or Microsoft programs on your laptop. So you can check your apps. Now we're going to be using 2016. So in actual fact, I can see that I've got Office 365, OneNote 2016, PowerPoint 2016, so I'm okay. But if I had applications that were OneNote, PowerPoint, Word without the 2016, I'm going to ask you to uninstall those, because we're going to install Office 365 for free, and because you're a student at our school, you could do that on up to 5 devices. So I need to open a browser, and on a new tab I'm going to tap into the top 365.avenside.school.nz. Enter. That is going to take me to my mail. Now on my mail, if we have a look at the black bar and head towards the right side, you can see a cog, and I'm going to tap on that and it brings down a drop down menu, and we're going to scroll down there, and at the bottom there is your app settings and a blue link, Office 365. Now if you would like, you can follow the directions in the booklet that we've given you, and they're on pages 12 to 17. Or you can watch this video and you can pause it, do, and eventually you'll be finished. Now this has brought up a screen with a blue column down the left side, and you can see a bundle of different words, including a downward arrow, and the words beside that are install status. So we're going to tap on that, and on there you can see that I've got a link that says install desktop applications, and you can also see that I've actually got 2 installs completed, so one on a desktop and one on Ginny's MacBook Air. Right now, because you're unlikely to have that, right now you're going to hit install desktop applications. So that brings us to this screen, and we can see these are the different applications here, that you can see the icons for, that we're going to install onto your device. And at the bottom there is an install button, and you're going to hit install, and this will install these different programs onto your machine. Now you can see at the bottom it says setup, and you can see the blue going around the circle. Eventually there will be a series of instructions that you'll need to follow, which includes saving the file and letting it run, and then your download will be successful. You can check this by then going to your applications. So for me on a Windows machine, this is the little Windows button at the bottom, and I'm going to look to see if I have got PowerPoint with a 2016 beside it, Word with a 2016 beside it, OneNote with a 2016 beside it, and there'll be some other programs as well. If you're on an Apple, you'll go to your Finder and then have a look in your applications. Good luck with this, girls.